We'll take a look at example C here, and we'll graph these, try to find out approximately what the solution is here as well. So again, first step is label each equation with equation 1 and 2. That way we can communicate about it. So from equation 1, it looks again, this is intercept method. So again, we write down that we're trying to find the intercept. That means the y is equal to 0, and so x is equal to 60. All right, we'll deal with the scale in a second. Let's take a look and see what the y-intercept is. Remember, the x is equal to 0, so again, we've got the y is equal to 60 there. Okay, so let's take a look at what our scale is. We'll say with this one, because we've got to go up to 60, and it looks like if we're doing the equation 2, we may have a 90 in there as well. So maybe what we'll do is we'll say each second line is 30, that we can go, the y-intercept needs to be 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just go every 2 is 45. I'll tell you what, let's not be so weird about this. We'll go right to equation 2 and we'll see what our scale is supposed to be there. The x-intercept for equation 2 is where y is equal to 0. So the x has to be 90 there. Okay, that helps. The y-intercept means that x is 0. And so the y is going to be 45 because we'll say 2y is 90. So y is 45. Okay, so the x-intercept has to be 90, the y has to be 45, so I think we can go with every second one is 30. So what I'll just do is I'll show you there, we've got a 30 there, we've got a 60 here, and then we can go 90. And we're pretty accurate on this one. We only need to go up to 60 on the y here, so if this is 30, we've got that this is the 60 right there. And so we can start plotting our x-intercept. The first one is 60, the second one is 60 there for the y-intercept there. So again, we'll use our tool for graphing lines. We've got it there. That's our equation 1. Now for our second one, we need a y-intercept of 90 and our x-intercept at 45. And we will take a look at our line there, graphing through each one. We're set there. And that's our equation 2. So what we're doing here is we're saying, okay, right about here is our point of intersection. Okay, it looks like it's 30, 30. Okay, if we graphed it correctly, it looks like it would be 30, 30. We see we've got an idea. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to check with both equations. So we start with checking with 1 first. And we can see with 1, if x is 30 and y is 30, then when we add them together, we get 60 on either side. Okay, if we go with equation 2, we're going to check with equation 2. Then from here, x is 30 plus 2 times y, which is 30 there. Hopefully that's 90. And 30 plus 60 is, in fact, 90. So again, we're good with this one, which means the solution is the point 30, 30.